Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Food Club. Today we are going to make spicy chicken kosha. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And without wasting time, let's get started. Here I took 2 medium-sized onions and thinly sliced them. I'm also dividing this into 40-60 ratio. And we are going to make a paste of 40% of onion. Now we are going to marinate the chicken. For that I am taking 500 grams chicken and marinate it with half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half tablespoon ground masala. We are preparing this masala with 5 to 6 black cardamom, 2 teaspoon black pepper, 8 teaspoon cumin seed. Dry roast all of them together and grind it and then take half tablespoon of it. I am also adding 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder, half tablespoon ginger paste, half tablespoon of garlic and green chili paste, half teaspoon salt, onion paste which we made earlier, 1 teaspoon lemon juice and little oil. And mix all of them together well. Now cover it and keep them aside and marinate it at least 2 hours. Now take a karai and heat some oil. Add thinly sliced onion. Saute until light brown. I'm also adding pinch me red chili powder into the oil. It gives nice color to the dish. Now we are going to add marinated chicken. Stir a little. Then cover for 5 minutes. We are going to cook this chicken on medium flame about 30 to 40 minutes. In between we are adding little water when it's required and stir occasionally when it's needed. Now I am going to add little salt as per taste and also 2 to 3 slitted green chilies. Then stir a little and again cover and cook. At this point onwards we are going to stir it continuously to make sure it doesn't stick to the pan. Now I am adding half teaspoon roasted cumin powder and mix well with the chicken. Then lastly we are adding some chopped coriander leaves. In this recipe we are not going to add any additional water because we are not adding water in it, so it's important to stir continuously. Cook the chicken until it separates oil. Give it a one last final stir. Then turn off the gas and cover it for 5 minutes. Now our spicy chicken kosha is ready to be served. You can have this with roti, naan, rice, anything you want. Please try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching. We will meet again in my next video. Till then, bye.